Aloe vera, a succulent plant with spiky leaves, has been treasured for centuries for its remarkable healing properties. You might recognize it as a go-to remedy for sunburns, but its benefits extend far beyond soothing sun-kissed skin. One of the most popular ways to harness the power of aloe vera is through its juice, a refreshing and therapeutic beverage. Aloe vera juice is made by extracting the gel-like substance found inside the plant's leaves. This gel is packed with vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and enzymes that contribute to its numerous health benefits. For generations, people have turned to aloe vera juice to promote digestive health, reduce inflammation, and boost overall well-being. Its soothing and cooling properties make it a natural remedy for a variety of ailments, and its popularity continues to grow as more people discover its incredible potential. Whether you're seeking relief from digestive discomfort or simply looking for a natural way to enhance your health, aloe vera juice offers a gentle and effective solution. Let's delve deeper into the specific benefits of this remarkable plant and how it can become a valuable addition to your daily routine. Acid reflux, also known as heartburn, is a common condition that affects millions of people. This burning sensation in the chest and throat occurs when stomach acid flows back up into the esophagus, causing irritation and discomfort. While there are many over-the-counter and prescription medications available to treat acid reflux, many people are turning to natural remedies like aloe vera juice to find relief. Aloe vera juice's remarkable ability to soothe acid reflux stems from its cooling and anti-inflammatory properties. The gel-like substance found inside the aloe vera plant contains compounds that help reduce inflammation in the esophagus and stomach lining, providing much-needed relief from the burning pain of acid reflux. Additionally, aloe vera juice's viscous nature helps coat the esophagus, creating a protective barrier against stomach acid and preventing further irritation. Drinking aloe vera juice regularly can help neutralize stomach acid, promote healing, and reduce the frequency and severity of acid reflux episodes. Its gentle nature makes it a safe and effective alternative to harsh medications for many individuals seeking long-term relief from this uncomfortable condition. Inflammation is a natural response of the body's immune system to injury or infection. While acute inflammation is a necessary part of the healing process, chronic inflammation can contribute to a wide range of health problems, including arthritis, heart disease, and cancer. Aloe vera has long been recognized for its potent anti-inflammatory properties, and its juice offers a convenient and effective way to combat inflammation throughout the body. The anti-inflammatory effects of aloe vera juice can be attributed to its rich concentration of antioxidants, enzymes, and other bioactive compounds. These compounds work synergistically to neutralize free radicals, reduce oxidative stress, and suppress the production of inflammatory chemicals in the body. By reducing inflammation, aloe vera juice can help alleviate pain, swelling, and stiffness associated with conditions like arthritis, muscle soreness, and skin irritations. Regular consumption of aloe vera juice can help modulate the body's inflammatory response, promoting overall health and well-being. Its ability to combat inflammation makes it a valuable tool in the prevention and management of chronic diseases. The traditional uses of aloe vera for its medicinal properties have been supported by a growing body of scientific evidence. Numerous studies have been conducted to investigate the efficacy and safety of aloe vera juice, and the results have been promising. For instance, a study published in the Journal of Ethnopharmacology found that aloe vera juice effectively reduced symptoms of irritable bowel syndrome, such as abdominal pain, bloating, and constipation. Another study published in the Journal of Alternative and Complementary Medicine demonstrated that aloe vera juice significantly improved blood sugar levels in patients with type 2 diabetes. Moreover, research has shown that aloe vera juice can enhance wound healing, reduce the risk of certain cancers, and boost the immune system. While more research is needed to fully understand the mechanisms of action and potential applications of aloe vera juice, these studies provide compelling evidence to support its use as a natural remedy for a variety of health concerns. Section 5. Your daily dose of wellness. Incorporating aloe vera juice. Adding aloe vera juice to your daily routine is easy and convenient. You can find it at most health food stores or online retailers. When choosing aloe vera juice, look for organic and unflavored varieties to ensure purity and avoid added sugars or artificial ingredients. Start with a small amount, about 2 to 4 ounces, and gradually increase your intake as tolerated. You can drink aloe vera juice straight, but many people prefer to dilute it with water or juice to improve its taste. Here are some creative ways to incorporate aloe vera juice into your daily routine. Morning boost. Add a splash of aloe vera juice to your morning smoothie or juice blend for a refreshing and healthy start to your day. Post-workout recovery. Replenish electrolytes and reduce inflammation after a workout by mixing aloe vera juice with water and a pinch of sea salt. Digestive support. Drink a small glass of aloe vera juice before meals to aid digestion and prevent heartburn. Skin soother. Mix aloe vera juice with bentonite clay to create a soothing face mask for acne-prone or irritated skin. Section 6. Choosing the right aloe vera juice, quality and purity. With the increasing popularity of aloe vera juice, it's essential to choose a high-quality product to reap its full benefits. Not all aloe vera juices are created equal, and some may contain additives or be processed in ways that diminish their potency. When selecting aloe vera juice, consider the following factors. Organic certification. Look for aloe vera juice that is certified organic by a reputable third-party organization. This ensures that the aloe vera plants were grown without the use of harmful pesticides, herbicides, or fertilizers. Purity and processing. Choose aloe vera juice that is made from 100% pure aloe vera gel and has not been heated or pasteurized. These processes can destroy some of the beneficial nutrients and enzymes in the juice. Aloeine content. Aloein is a natural laxative found in aloe vera latex, the yellow sap just beneath the plant's skin. While aloein can have beneficial effects in small amounts, excessive consumption can cause digestive discomfort. Look for aloe vera juice that has been de-aloeinized to minimize potential side effects. Additives and sweeteners. Avoid aloe vera juices that contain added sugars, artificial sweeteners, flavors, or colors. These additives can negate the health benefits of aloe vera juice and may even be harmful. By carefully reading labels and choosing reputable brands, you can ensure that you're getting a high-quality aloe vera juice that will provide the desired health benefits. Section 7. Potential side effects and considerations. While aloe vera juice is generally safe for most people when consumed in moderation, it's important to be aware of potential side effects and considerations. Digestive issues. Consuming large amounts of aloe vera juice, especially varieties that contain aloein, can cause diarrhea, abdominal cramps, and electrolyte imbalances. Start with a small amount and gradually increase your intake to assess tolerance. Medication interactions. Aloe vera juice may interact with certain medications such as blood thinners, diuretics, and diabetes medications. Consult with your healthcare provider if you are taking any medications before incorporating aloe vera juice into your diet. Allergic reactions. While rare, some people may be allergic to aloe vera. If you experience any allergic symptoms such as itching, redness, or swelling, discontinue use and seek medical attention. Pregnancy and breastfeeding. There is limited safety information available regarding aloe vera juice consumption during pregnancy and breastfeeding. It's best to err on the side of caution and avoid it during these times. Section 8. Aloe vera, beyond the juice. While aloe vera juice is a popular and convenient way to enjoy the benefits of this healing plant, it's not the only option. Aloe vera gel, extracted directly from the plant's leaves, can be applied topically to soothe burns, wounds, and skin irritations. Aloe vera is also available in supplement form, such as capsules and tablets. These supplements typically contain concentrated extracts of aloe vera gel or juice, and can provide a convenient way to increase your intake. Whether you prefer to drink it, apply it topically, or take it in supplement form, aloe vera offers a versatile and natural approach to enhancing your health and well-being. Section 9. Embrace the healing power of nature, a final word on aloe vera. Aloe vera juice is a testament to nature's incredible ability to heal and nourish. Its soothing properties, anti-inflammatory effects, and digestive benefits make it a valuable addition to any wellness routine. By incorporating aloe vera juice into your diet, you can tap into the power of this ancient remedy and experience its transformative effects firsthand. As with any natural remedy, it's essential to consult with your healthcare provider before making aloe vera juice a regular part of your routine, especially if you have any underlying health conditions or are taking medications. Embrace the healing power of nature and discover the remarkable benefits of aloe vera juice for yourself.